जुवारी पुलाचें काम सुरू आशिल्ल्यान दुचाकी चारचाकी 9 जण वाहनांक वच्चे न्हय ताका लागून रस्त्याकुशीक सायन बोर्ड लायिल्ले पूण जुवारी पुलाचेर येरादारी सुरू जावन 2 म्हयने जावन लेगीत तक्ते काडूंक नाशिल्ल्यान येरादारी करपी घुस्पता अशें तृणमूलचो फुडारी राजन डिमेलो म्हणटा देखून बेगोबेग तक्ते काडपाची मागणी राजन डिमेलोन ह्या वेळार सरकारा कडेन केल्या.
Zuari Bridge, the new Zuari Bridge, especially the lane that goes from Panjim to Madgaon, or from north to south. The lane still carries a signboard which says that two-wheelers, four-wheelers, etc. are not allowed in that road. In my opinion, this board was put before it was opened for traffic. But board continues to be there, and the traffic is people moving from north to south, especially tourists. When suddenly they see the board, they tend to stop, and thereby creating confusion for the vehicles that are following, who almost come to a accident situation. And this is going on. Nobody seems to be bothered. They don't know what is happening. Then these accidents are taking place. AMC demands that this board immediately removed, rectified by the authorities concerned, whether it is the PWD, whether it is the police, or whether it is the collector, whoever it is, immediately, because this is a way where people are totally confused, whether they are moving on the right side and wrong side. Suddenly, when they jam the brakes, there is a big possibility of vehicles following just keep on banging each other. And it has happened, and many have not complained.